So we're going to be focusing on Codepen.io. So first you need Google Chrome open like I have, and then you type Codepen.io, and then you click Codepen.io. Now, I've already logged in. So if you don't have an account, log in right now because you're going to want to save whatever game you make now. Okay? So once you're done with that, you can go to the dashboard where you might not have any projects. I'm just going to explain some of mine. So this is my emoji web page. So this is how it looks like. You have all about emojis and some emojis right here. You have games and movies, oh my. And then you have two links at the front. Games, and when you hover it, the mouse changes. And also the link turns to black. This one same for this, and this one for this. It's just a different color. And when you click the games one, there's a game I can play in a new tab. When I click the movies, I get Netflix the Emoji Movie. Now, this is a really good movie. If you want, you can watch this. It's a really good movie. I watched it. So, games and movies at the front, and then you can read this. Emojis are cool. Sure, I'm not kidding. They're amazing. You can make really good games and riddles and puzzles and lots of other things too. If you're interested in emojis just like I am, then check out this cool link. This is hovering effect. Have fun playing some more emoji games on gamesxl.com. Now when I click this link, bring me to a gamesxl.com page, and there's some emoji games right here. When I click gamesxl.com, I go to the web, the app. But when I click the link, it brings me to the same page, except that the emoji games are there. Like you searched it and the emoji games are there, not the ordinary page. So one more last thing I want to show is you can also click the image right here. Click this and brings you the same link Netflix for what you do for the movies right here. So that is my web page. Now I want you to have a look at my code. So I've got HTML code right here and CSS coding right here. If you want to learn how I did this, you can pause the video, and then you can read everything and try to understand it. And once you're done, you can continue. So this is my coding, and I'm gonna put the link in the description below, so that if you want to still see more things about my webpage, then you can go to that link. That's my webpage. If you're interested, you can look at more of my webpage by clicking the link in the description below. Or if you want to make your own and look at Google to understand your own things, you'll do that too. So let's see a little bit of code in this. So I have H1 class, HR, all about emojis and some emojis right here. So what does the H1 mean is that it says the first title, the title. That is all about emojis, 3 emojis, exactly the same. And I put class HR right here as starting tag. So what that means is that I made a class. So in the CSS, if I put dot stands for class, then HR, the thing I wrote, and then I put the curly brackets, and then inside that whatever is inside this is gonna activate. So that's the use of this. And then we have got H3, like subtitle. We've also made a class for that, HRR. And then I made a div class G, and then 2 links right here. One is the href equals https, and then that. And then I've got a target equal blank. What that means is that it means that when you click that link, it's gonna make the thing happen not in this place. It's gonna open that thing, that web page in a different window, in a new tab. Like this, it will open and will show that tab. So it's not gonna be like right here, like a small screen. It's gonna be into a new window. Okay? So that's how I made my web page. Now, if you're really interested in coding, then search for CSS and HTML on Google, and because they can help a lot. You can make lots and lots and lots of projects, thinking about what you want to make using emojis. It's really amazing. So now we're going to talk about the login, how to log in. So I'm just going to log out now. Just going to log out. And I'm going to show you guys how to log in. So when you say Codepen.io, it should look like this. And then you click sign up if you haven't got an account. And then you have to click that. And then do this. If you want, then do sign up with email. Any of these, or sign up with email. And once you do that, you can do the login. And you can enter your email. Mine is that super guy god 2012. It's a really funny one. And I'm gonna enter my password and click login. And then I log in. That's how it works, okay? And then to find your projects that you save, you have to click dashboard. And then your projects will be there. I have 2. The first one is like an old version of the emoji. The second one is like a better one. But they're both almost the same. So that is what we did today.